In this video, we're diving into why ExpressVPN remains one of the most popular VPNs for beginners. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you stay safe online. Now, if you're new to VPNs and you want something that just works without a steep learning curve, you may have heard about ExpressVPN. Today, we're going to talk about what makes it so beginner-friendly, why people keep recommending it year after year, and whether it's the right choice for your needs. So have you ever felt overwhelmed by technology? Maybe you've tried a new app only to be greeted by a maze of settings and tech jargon. When it comes to protecting your online privacy, the last thing that you need is complexity. You want to tap a button and know you're safe. ExpressVPN has built its reputation on making things simple without compromising on security. So let's explore how. Ease of use, designed for humans. ExpressVPN's user interface is famously minimalistic. When you open the app on any device, you see a single large button that connects you to the best server available. There's no clutter, no confusing graphs, and no hidden settings. For beginners, it's a breath of fresh air. You don't have to know what a protocol or a kill switch is to get started. Tap connect and you're done. Under the hood, ExpressVPN offers advanced settings, but it doesn't overwhelm you with them. If you're curious, you can choose between protocols like Lightway, OpenVPN, and WireGuard. You can set the app to launch on startup or connect automatically when you go online. But you never have to if you don't want to. This balance between simplicity and control is a key reason why new users gravitate toward ExpressVPN. The setup process is just as straightforward. You create an account, download the app, and log in with an activation code. There's no need for manual configuration, unless you want to set up a router or use the service on devices that don't support VPN apps. ExpressVPN's website provides clear guides with images that walk you through every step. For beginners, this handholding makes a big difference. Speed without stress. One reason people avoid VPNs is the fear of slow speeds. ExpressVPN addresses this by investing in high-quality servers and developing the Lightway protocol, which was built from the ground up to be fast and secure. In real-world use, ExpressVPN consistently delivers smooth streaming, gaming, and just casual browsing. You don't have to worry about buffering or lag when you're binge watching your favorite show. Even when connecting to servers far from your physical location, the performance remains solid. ExpressVPN recently added WireGuard support, a protocol known for its efficiency and speed. This means that you have a choice between the proprietary Lightway and the widely used WireGuard. Both provide excellent speeds, and the app automatically selects the best one based on your situation. As a beginner, you don't need to know the difference. You just experience a fast connection. Consistency is another important factor. Some VPNs are fast on some servers and sluggish on others, leaving you to guess which one to pick. ExpressVPN's smart location feature automatically chooses the best server based on distance, server load, and other factors. If the connection slows down, the app suggests alternatives. This removes the guesswork and ensures that you always have a reliable connection. Security made simple. Security is at the heart of any VPN, but that doesn't mean it has to be complicated. ExpressVPN uses industry standard AES 256 encryption to protect your data. It's the same level of security used by governments and financial institutions. The service also employs perfect forward secrecy, which changes encryption keys frequently so that past sessions remain secure even if a key is compromised. ExpressVPN includes a kill switch, network lock. Automatically stops all internet traffic if the VPN connection drops. This prevents your data from leaking in those rare moments when a connection is interrupted. It's a safety net that works behind the scenes. The app also has a DNS leak protection built in, ensuring that your requests don't accidentally leave the encrypted tunnel. One of the standout features of ExpressVPN is its no logs policy. The company company doesn't record what you do online. This policy has been tested in court cases and verified by independent audits. ExpressVPN's trusted server technology uses RAM-only servers, meaning data is wiped with every reboot. This reduces the risk of information being stored accidentally. While these technical details may sound complex, the takeaway for beginners is simple. ExpressVPN takes privacy seriously, so you don't have to worry about it. Broad device compatibility. ExpressVPN supports a wide range of devices, from computers and smartphones to smart TVs and gaming consoles. There are dedicated apps for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and more. If your device doesn't have a VPN app like some smart TVs or IoT devices, you can install ExpressVPN on your router. By doing this, every device connected to your home network is protected without needing separate logins. This is particularly useful for beginners who may not want to fuss with multiple installations. The recent increase from 5 to 8 simultaneous connections is another welcome change. This allows you to protect more devices at once. You can have your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, and gaming console connected simultaneously without worrying about hitting a limit. For families or couples, this helps keep everyone covered. ExpressVPN's browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge provide an extra layer of control. They allow you to connect or disconnect the VPN directly from your browser and include features like HTTPS everywhere, which forces websites to use encrypted connections. Now, while these extras are not essential, they really demonstrate how ExpressVPN tries to simplify security. Customer support that cares. No matter how easy an app is to use, sometimes you run into questions or issues. ExpressVPN's customer support is one of the best in the industry. It offers 24/7 live chat, email support, and a comprehensive library of tutorials. The live chat agents are knowledgeable and patient, making them ideal for beginners. If you don't know how to explain your problem, they guide you through step by step. This level of support adds peace of mind. You're not left to search forums or to figure things out alone. For many beginners, the idea of contacting support can be intimidating. ExpressVPN's friendly approach reduces that barrier and helps build confidence in using their service. Strengths for beginner needs. So let's recap why ExpressVPN remains loved by beginners. Simplicity. The app is clean and intuitive. You don't need to understand protocols, servers, or encryption to get started. There's a big power button that all you have to do is click to get connected. Consistency. ExpressVPN provides reliable speeds and stable connections. You don't have to trial different servers to find something that works. Trust. With independent audits, RAM-only servers, and a strong no-logs policy, you can trust that your data is safe. Support. The company offers responsive and friendly support that speaks your language, not tech jargon. Wide compatibility. Whether you're on a laptop, phone, smart TV, or router, ExpressVPN has you covered. These strengths make it ideal for people who want protection without fuss. They also appeal to those who are skeptical of free VPNs or cheaper services that might cut corners on privacy or performance. So if you want to get started with ExpressVPN, we've got an exclusive deal for you, which you can access by clicking the link down in the description. That link will bring you to this page right here, where all you need to do is click on Get ExpressVPN. From here, you'll got 3 different options to choose from: a 1-month plan, a 12-month plan that gives you 3 months extra, and a 2-year plan that gives you 4 months extra. Now, the 1-month plan is $12.95 per month. Kind of pricey. Wouldn't recommend it. The 1-year plan that gives you 3 months extra is billed as $99.95 for 15 months. Comes out to an effective monthly rate of $6.67 per month. The best deal and the best savings possible is their 2-year plan, where you get 4 months extra. It's billed as $139.72 for 28 months. Then it renews yearly. That comes out to an effective monthly cost of $4.99 per month. Now, the great thing about any of these plans, even the 1-month option, they've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it, see if it's going to be the right VPN for you and your needs, and make a decision within the first 30 days. Zero risk. So click the link down in the description to get the best pricing possible for ExpressVPN. Things things to consider. Now, of course, ExpressVPN isn't perfect. Here are a few points to keep in mind. Price. ExpressVPN is more expensive than many competitors. If budget is a significant concern, this could be a deal breaker. Like I said, you can use the link down in the description to take advantage of a discount, but all in all, you typically pay a little bit more for ExpressVPN. Limited extra features. ExpressVPN focuses on doing its core job well. Doesn't offer extras like a built-in antivirus, a password manager, or double VPN routing. If you want an all-in-one security suite, you'll need separate tools. Device limit. While the 8 device limit is generous, it's not unlimited. For larger households or those with many devices, you might need a router setup or another VPN with unlimited connections. These downsides are super minor for many beginners, especially when weighted against all the benefits. However, being aware of them helps set expectations. So is ExpressVPN right for you? If you're new to VPNs and you want a service that you can trust right out of the box, ExpressVPN's a great choice. Its design prioritizes ease of use, its performance is consistently good, and its privacy protections are fantastic. You'll pay a bit more, but you get peace of mind, reliable streaming, and top-tier customer support. For many beginners, that peace of mind is worth the extra cost. On the other hand, if you're comfortable tinkering with settings or want to save money, you might explore other options. Some providers offer more features or lower prices at a cost of a steeper learning curve. It comes down to what you value more, simplicity and trust, or advanced features and cost savings. In summary, ExpressVPN remains beloved by beginners because it makes staying safe online effortless. It removes the guesswork and friction that often comes with security tools, allowing you to enjoy the internet with confidence. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, securing public Wi-Fi, or protecting your personal information, ExpressVPN offers a smooth, reliable, and beginner-friendly experience. Now, if you want to get started with ExpressVPN or any other VPN that we recommend as an alternative, you'll find links for them all down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission if you use them at no extra cost to you. And in fact, you're going to save some money by using those links in most cases. It's these commissions that really help support the channel and allows us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell while you're there so you never miss another video. Here on the VPN Nerds channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online, as well as detailed product comparisons. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.